Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V2020, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcome screen, as you can see right over here. So get started, select your language from the list right here, and then tap on the start button. Now here we can insert our SIM card. If you want to, you can do that. If you don't, then you don't have to bother with it. It's an optional step. Then this will take you to the Wi-Fi connection. Again, this is also optional, so you don't have to connect to it. By not connecting, you do lose out the ability to log into your Google account throughout the setup, and also you will have to set date and time manually. So I'm gonna set it up offline. Now, additionally, once the setup is complete, you can still connect to Wi-Fi if you want to, and then also log into your Google account, just so you know. Now from here, you can see there's the date and time. Like I mentioned before, if you connect it to Wi-Fi, this page won't appear at all. Next page, we have Google services. So we have things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. So you can tap on the arrow right here, expand the list, explanation, and if you don't like what this does, you can simply disable this like so, and then scroll down and select accept. Then this moves us to the privacy policy from ZTE. Again, you can read exactly by tapping, or exactly what you're agreeing to by tapping on this text here, the blue one. It's a link, and at the end of the day, you do need to agree to this, otherwise you won't be able to use your phone. Now from here, you have device protection, so we have things like face recognition, fingerprint, and just like screen lock. So we can set up face recognition or fingerprint. If you want to set up one of those two or both of them, you will still be required to set up a screen lock. You cannot have a method of unlocking the device that could change. So for instance, if something happens to you, your face or your finger, you might not be able to unlock your device. So this is as a repercussion there, so you are always able to access your device. Now I'm gonna only go with the screen lock. Now once you select it, it gives you the option between PIN, pattern, or password. So select which one you want. I will go with a pattern right here. Now let's draw the pattern, tap on next, repeat the pattern, and confirm it. And that's it, it's now set. And it also allows me to set up the two other methods right here if I wanted to, but I'm just gonna select next instead and skip it. And then we have system navigation option. So if you're used to the buttons, like at the bottom to navigate your device, go home and back and stuff like that, and you don't want to try gestures, then simply select the visualize navigation. If you have used gestures, you prefer them, or you just maybe want to try them out, you can select gestures right here or keep it selected. And when you go to next, it does give you a quick guide on how to use them. As you can see, select back, it's already actually working. To go back, and this works from either side. As you can see, this arrow appears, so you know that it's gonna go back. And if we go to the next page, we're gonna have home. So swipe up to go home. Next page, we have swipe up and hold to go to recent, which doesn't actually work here. So anyway, let's tap on next, and this finishes up the setup. So let's select get started, and there we go, we are now on the home screen. And there we go, that's the setup. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.